Oh wait, no, I'm an idiot. I said, why are we still descending?
Oh.
As I was planning for 7,000, and I was descending through 7,800. I'm tired.
Okay, so it's gonna be...
Bank!
Yikes, okay, so I'm gonna have to extend to the ring. Oh, shoot. I've come to the realization that... Yikes, dude. What the? Why was it so low quality?
There's a bridge underneath me or something. Or no, it's... never mind.
Yeah, very much
It's just...
Yeah, like that. Accounts, I'm pretty sure that's cloud. At least that's what I'm hoping.
What altitude you at?
I'm at 5,000.
Yeah, it might be cloud.
That might be cloud. Alright.
Okay, cabin's ready. Oh, I never turned my landing lights on. That might be a good idea. There we go.
Is there a rock? No, there's no rock. Just attaching Yikes, okay. That's fine. I say 15. Wait, where are we going? Shoot.
I mean, where are we
Mumbai,
going?
yeah. Mumbai traffic, Qatari 4 Tokyo, 15.5 mile final, 1.09 Mumbai traffic. Yikes. What I've come to
Tacos
realize
returning home.
is that, I'm not really with, lines at all.
Don't watch the landing, Taco. Make sure you get... If
I'll-
you want, you should get your flight recorder
Right.
going.
Oh, you shoot, you just remembered me. I'm gonna get that one, and G's, and, FC. Actually, do I want to do FC? I don't... Should I need to put the altitude down?
I did FCR. It works with this plane.
At the same time, I want to do, like, deboarding and everything, kind of. Okay, shoot, I don't know why, but it's not really wanting to. Flaps 2 should not be
So, my estimated fuel on board once I reach destination is 12.0. My minimum is, I think, 11.7. So, interesting.
Okay, I can't see a thing. Is there, like, haze or something? I don't...
It's Dubai. I mean, then yeah, bro.
Oh,
Yeah,
wait,
minimum fuel at destination 11.7. Yeah, we are not making it to our next destination if we really needed to. No, it says we would. 11.6, yeah, it's going down.
Power traffic. Qatari 4 is on Q. 7 mile final, runway 0 knot power traffic.
Alright, I'm gonna finish this circle and I'm gonna exit it and bond.
2,000.
Checklist. I don't think I can really run checklist. That's all right.
What's the
Traffic,
Mr.
Qatari
Perch?
4 Tokyo, landing runway 0 knot Mumbai traffic.
This is the Mr. Perched. 3,800, do not turn before THR.
Okay.
210 knots is max.
Right, so there's like 0 visibility. I look-y can't see anything, and I'm only 1,000.
I think that's what the 1,600 means. It's probably, yeah, 1,600 meters. Destination estimated fuel on board. Yeah, we're under. Nice.
1,000.
Apparently we're losing the climb lights up all of a sudden? Yikes. Go up, go up, go up, go up.
Glide slow.
Yep, I'm using the glide. And I don't know where I am.
Glide slow. Glide slow.
Oh, there's another plane on the ground there. Someone spawned in.
Glide slow.
They're going to London. Echo.
Glide slow.
It's British.
Glide slow.
This thing, I don't know.
Glide slow.
Don't go around. Don't go
Dude,
around.
I don't know where I am at all.
You're right of the runway. You're right of the runway.
Yeah, I see that on my globe. Yeah, no, this is terrible. I'm not established at all.
500.
Do you have your approach and ILS modes on?
Yeah, I
Nice, bro. Try it. At least try to get try to touch down and then go
by
around.
traffic.
Get a feel for
34 Tokyo on the go, 09 runway.
You're not
heavy.
speaking.
I'm not speaking?
Nope.
How am I on... Wait, why am I on... Why am I calling 124.8? Wait, what is on? Oh, it's already doing my...
So it's that bad?
Yeah, dude, you don't see the runway until the last freaking minute, dude.
It's okay.
I don't know what this ode is. I don't know exactly what's going on. Destination be found. That's fine. Stage 50 there. Am I at MC2 right now? Am I fine?
Now, how do I exit a hold?
You click on immediate exit on the trainer. Why is my auto throttle?
Well, I don't want to immediate exit. I want to exit when I'm over inbound. It's fine.
Okay, 3 limited. And I'll change it back to on. Oh, you know why? 5,000. I'm not entirely sure what my plan is doing.
Okay, fuel on board. Ooh, we are getting a little low.
On 3,800. Should be at 30.
And we will go, once our wings are level, we will hit exit. Alright, immediate exit.
I'm gonna go direct Delta 15, or I'm gonna do Delta 15.
Okay. I'm gonna go in for a landing attempt.
Okay.
Are you supposed to fly left or right for the missed approach? Or like to go around?
It's left, but it doesn't really give me a hold or anything, that's the thing, so I'm making
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna cross the intercept, and then from the intercept, I'll, Okay, here we go, here's the turn. We'll descend down now to 4,000.
Oh, wait, I think Bravo is the freaking VOR for,
Yeah, it is. That's like the
Okay, that
VOR
makes
that
sense.
circles it.
Right, so so I have to go direct to Bravo.
Holy bank. Damn.
At minimum 1,000.
So intercept, that's when I theoretically should be able to intercept the localizer. So we'll hit approach mode.
Yeah.
There we go. It's
The haze is terrible.
average India. Alright, I've exited the hold.
Dude, this is just...
your approach looks bad. Oh my
Dude, you know,
god.
I was not used to. I did not expect it to be that sensitive on sensitive.
What do you mean, the airplane?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little, yeah.
I was not expecting it to be like.
Alright,
I don't
Fox
even
1.
know what this is. My terrain. I don't think my terrain is affected. Yeah.
Careful with how much you're turning back for over the airport, otherwise you're gonna run into me, bro.
Yeah, that's. I'm gonna look at you. I'm gonna look for you.
Look at you.
I'm gonna look for you.
Okay.
If I see you.
I can.
Are you? What's your altitude?
5,500 descending for 4,000 till I got established. Mumbai traffic, Qatari 556 heavy. Turning final runway 9 Mumbai.
I'm gonna be 3,700, so we're still gonna have to go through rest.
So if I go direct,
I think this is
At
probably the
509.
worst airport for me to do our first landing at. This is.
present position.
I see.
Home,
I can
a
barely
place
see the
where
top.
I belong.
I can barely see like the tops of the buildings and stuff, dude.
Alright, now we're gonna, there we go. Alright, we're gonna slow down now. Well, I'm still 30 from the airport, damn.
Okay, so I'm going to. This is gonna be.
If you want to get another landing attempt in, you can try.
No.
Go for 1-4. No, go for 1-4. You'll have time. If you make a little bit of a right turn.
I'm already basically at the airport. I'm less than 5 miles from the airport. Yeah. Okay. So after Bravo, I'm gonna kind of turn right to the bit. I'm gonna make sure. That I
Oh
don't-
boy. Oh boy. We do not have a lot of fuel left.
Right.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh no.
Do you see the haze that I'm talking about?
Yeah. Oh my god. I see it now.
Yeah, you don't see anything until like 800 feet or 500 feet.
Thanks. Okay.
There's
That's
also
exciting.
that. What doesn't help is there's also buildings in the place.
That's exciting. I'm not opposed to a go around. I want to try one. This plane. We'll see. If it's unstable, I'm gonna go around.
Okay, that's my estimated fuel.
You don't. What's your estimated fuel on board right now at your destination?
8.5. It's below minimums, but that's expected.
8.5. Yeah, mine's 9.5. But if I have a go around, I'm
okay.
cooked.
Yikes, yeah.
Wait, yours is less than
There's
mine.
still. Well, yeah, because I also had to go around. I put like full toga on there.
Oh yeah, that's true. Okay, I picked up glide slope. Alright, we're on glide slope and localizer. Mumbai traffic, Qatari 556 heavy. 20-mile final, runway 9, Mumbai. There we go, we are 4,100 feet, waiting for the glide slope to pick up. We will go ahead and slow down now. Why were we at 250 knots? Okay, well, we slow down a little bit
So
now.
you're on 088. As long as so you're 16 miles from me. So I think I honestly should be able to cut in, but I don't want to risk it.
Yeah, go ahead, try it. Screw it, go ahead, go, do it. I dare you.
Nope.
I dare you, do it.
Let me see how far you
Do
are,
it.
actually. I could
We've
do
got
it.
15 miles separation, you're fine. I'll slow down a little.
Slow down a little bit. I'll go for it.
Actually, I was already planning on slowing down to 180, so
Oh, you
yeah,
know what? I
should be
just
fine.
realized this is a terrible idea. I don't straight up don't have the glide slope at all.
You do it. Do it. You have to go around again. You have to go around again.
Okay, so
Oh
yeah.
my god, this is a haze. Oh,
Yeah, you see
jeez.
when I okay, go ahead and go to right.
Flaps are coming out.
Dude, this is awful. I can't. What am I supposed to do?
9.3 on board. Destination. Nice.
If I have to go around, and honestly, this is bad. I might just honestly view on
dude, just put it down. Don't try to go for it better, honestly, at this point.
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna get the HUD up. This is a good HUD landing weather.
I wish. Yikes. Okay. So I am way too far behind for me to.
You're fine. Nah, cause I'm 1,000 ahead of you, above
Yikes.
you, and I'm on glide slope. And
Wait.
okay, so armed, Earth, we are 148 is our full speed.
2,500.
Uh-oh. Oh, you're
okay.
5. Uh-oh, I'm gonna start slowing. Nah, you're good, you're good. I'm gonna start slowing
I
now,
see.
though. Oh shoot, I see you too.
Right, I can go around,
disappeared.
I've got-
No,
I've got
go,
the-
go, go. I'll go around. No.
Don't go around, don't go
I'm
around.
slowing down. No, I want to go around, bro. You're not getting the point. I'm slowing to minimum. You're good, you're good.
Okay, I'm taking the.
I'm slowing to final. Just go flaps, configure for flaps 3, so you can go a little faster. We're fine. If I get a TARA,
Yeah, we're definitely gonna get an RA. Yeah.
it's fine. I'll do a little flyover, bye. Yeah, we're fine. We've got increasing separation now. 5 miles. Oh, yeah, no hazards yet. 5 miles of separation.
No hazards.
1,400 below.
Sink rate.
5 miles separation. I'm watching your 1,500 below. You're increasing. I've got my radar page up here on my
Dude, this
side.
feels so fast. I mean, you know what? It probably is because
You're
it is.
descending really quick, by the way. Just
Dude, yeah,
saying.
this is okay, dude. I see the airport again, right?
Just go visual, bro.
I'm going visual. I can't be amazing.
If I need to go around, I'll go around. You focus on getting your plane on the ground.
500.
Sink rate.
400 above. Minimum.
Okay, I'm a bit more stable this time. I'm still super fast.
200.
Like super
It's a quick breaker, and you know how those spoilers are.
fast.
80.
Okay, 2,000 feet. We're gonna continue through 1,000 as we're going around altitude for now. 2,000 checks.
10.
We'll go ahead and put gear down.
Full by traffic, Atari 556, 75 mile final, runway 9. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh, this does not feel good on the touchdown.
Oh my god. Trust in your pilot, my friends. Oh.
I'll go and vacate right because I don't. Come on. How far are you?
Yeah. Are you touchdown?
Yeah, I'm touchdown. I'm almost clear.
Oh yeah, I'm plenty. I got 5 miles.
Okay, I'm almost clear.
Watch me land,
My
bro.
landing wasn't honestly that terrible. I got negative 1.12.
That's not bad. This bench of
I'm
India
clear.
coming in.
Mumbai traffic, it's right forward, so kilo is clear from 09. Mumbai traffic.
Oh, I'm still streaming. Yeah, let me not do that. 1,000 feet.